I show you how I set up my Thinkorswim platform for options trading. I don't know too much about options, and I always wanted to know how to do it. And I saw a video on YouTube, and that helped me a lot. So I wanted to share this and how I set up my Thinkorswim. So this is the main page, and I am on the charts here, and I'm gonna open 4 windows, and one window I want to, these first 2 windows, I'm going to add active trader. So I'll put something there right now, slide maybe. Okay. Let's do here. And I will click the active trader, and I will click same thing here, active trader. And this one here, I will leave it, this one empty, and this one here, I will make this one also SPY. And I will change this to my previous setup. So this is 50. This is 9, and this is 200. I will add simple moving averages there. I will add 2 of them. This is 9, and I will do like that. And I will change this 9 to 50. I will get rid of this 9. Okay, so we have 9 SMA, 15 SMA, and the yellow is 50, and the green is 200. And this one is Vwap, and this one here also 50 exponential. And this is 5 minutes. You can do 1 minute. Five day, 1 minute, or 1 day. Okay, let's do 5 day. 5 day, 1 minute. yeah, so far the SPY is break to 50, retest to 50, and it starts selling off from there after the morning session, early morning session, and this tried a couple times, and around noon time, it broke to a 50 line with the 9 and 15, and it started continue from there on, broke to 200 line, and a couple times retest the 200 here and broke 200 again, and broke 50 over here. So this is the price action there. So in order for you to play options with SPY, I prefer the SPY because I know the NQ and SPY price action already, so it is easier for me to do options on the SPY. So in order to do that, I'm going to change these two windows, and so I will go click on the trade, and from here, these are the option chains. So if you see like that, you need to click on options chain, and from here I want this window detached, so you just click on the right here, detach layout, and it should pop this window here. And I will click on this always on top and go back to chart again, and I will put this here. So I would like to see everything on the same window next to each other. So you can adjust. And now we need to choose, see, this is the SPY option, so you need to click whatever option you want to trade. You put that symbol here, and after that it will show the option chain for that symbol, and you need to choose which one do you want as far as the expiration date. So in these here it shows like 2 days until the trading day finishes. This is 5 days, this is 7 days. They usually advise like maybe 2 days or the same day be fine for scalping, like for same day buying and selling options. So I will click on this 2 day one, and it's not too much actually. Let's see, click on this. Yeah, not too much options there. How about this 0 same day? Okay, or 5 days here. Oh, I forgot to change this to maybe 14, or maybe even let's do this 30 rows. Okay. So again, I will click on this 2 days, and so this side here calls. It says here calls, and this side here puts. If you want to play puts, you need to select here. If you want to play calls, you need to select here. And the purple ones are on the money or in the money, and this one is the same. On the purple is the in the money. It means these are more expensive, and these options are kind of, it is better position right now. So everybody wants it because of that. It is more safer and it's more expensive. The video that I was watching, that was recommended, also adding here a delta. So we need to here option theoreticals and clicks here. We're gonna click on delta, okay, and do the same thing here. Okay, we have the delta there too. So the delta they were recommending they choose the ones that's no smaller than maybe minimum like 30 or 40. So the same way here, like 40s, 30s, this range. These should be the ones that you need to be looking for mostly. So I would just maybe choose this one, this 45. It's almost close to the in the money. So what I do is I right click and then click on the copy. Actually, before copying that, instead of copying it, I would first on the left side here, let's create a watch list. Here is the watch list. So the watch list, I mean, mine was named already long calls, so you can name whatever you want to. So once you have a watch list here on the left side, then all you have to do here is you need to choose which one you want to trade, and you need to right click on it, and then you need to add SPY to watch list, and whatever your watch list name is, you need to choose that one. So I made like two watch lists, one for calls, one for puts. So this one is calls, so I'm gonna choose the calls and click on it, and then this selected one, now it showed up here on my watch list on the left. Another thing I am going to do here is make this one yellow, and I will change this one yellow as well. And when you click on it, now our options for SPY for this selected one, it shows here. So you can see it on the chart. And you can also change the time. I think you can do 1 minute, this one as well. Okay. And I will do maybe save this one. And I will right click style, and I will call update it here. So basically I did the same style what I have here transferred over here. And the good thing is doing this way, so you can put bid or ask here. You can buy or sell on this active trader without doing anything else, like trying to go here, put this, open this, and try to put what you need to do, everything. So you don't have to do all that. It's pretty fast. So you're gonna look for your regular chart, like you can look at your SPY or ES or NQ, and then when you think it's a good time to enter a position, then you just click here to enter it. You can click on this auto set. You can even make like a 50-cent bracket that I did before. So this is a 50-cent bracket. So for example, when I click here, my bracket is showing on this option trading right now. And I can move this wherever I want to as well. Cancel. You can cancel it. So pretty much it is the same thing like you are doing the regular trading, but you are doing it with options. And on this one here, you can do puts, for example. If you want to do puts here, do the same thing. You right click on it, and then this time, you can create another watch list, and then you can send it to shorts puts, and then it should go into the short puts that I have it before. But we're just gonna copy here. Also, if you can do this as well, you right click on it and copy, and then come here and then paste and enter, and that will show on this window here, that puts option. And I will do the same layout. So this is this one for the puts, and this one for the calls. So if you think the market is going up, you put an order here. If it's gonna go down, put an order here. So I always use buy and buy. Don't use the sell and sell. And that's pretty much it, how I set it up, my options trading. And it is super easy for me, more visual than try to put a bunch of numbers or try to find it and do other things. So I can be looking at my NQ chart or ES chart, and then I can enter a options position on SPY with these charts here.